Hello children and welcome to your offline video session. So children, in our previous class, we were talking about the biggest continent, the largest continent, that is Asia. So as you see in the map, Asia is the largest continent in the world which covers almost one third of the total land mass. Okay, so one third of the total land mass of Earth is covered by Asia. So you can imagine how big is our Asia. So as you see, our India, that is our country, India is also in Asia. Okay, see, I'm coloring it in yellow color. So India is also in Asia. So you always have to remember that continents are very large, and in continents there are different countries. Okay, so many countries together make one continent. So as you see, we have India, then here we have China, we have Mongolia, we have Russian Federation, that is Russia. Then we also have Japan here, Kazakhstan, Pakistan, and so many other countries. So all these countries together make our continent Asia. All right. And what is the boundary? You see, this is the boundary. So this saffron color here has been used for Asia. All right. So this is the boundary. This entire thing which I am bounding now is our Asia. So it is located between 10 degrees south and 80-degree north latitude. So children, in our previous chapter, we already learned how to locate places, right? So we also learned that there are latitudes and longitudes. So in between this latitude and longitude is our Asia. And also it is located between 10 degrees south and 80-degree north latitude and 25-degree east and 175-degree west longitude. All right. Next is, now see, our Asia is surrounded by water on three sides. So children, in our previous class, we also learned that there are oceans, right? There are 5 oceans and 7 continents. So these continents are surrounded by water bodies or oceans. So let us see which oceans surround our Asia. So Asia is surrounded by water on 3 sides. That is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is in the east. As you can see, this is Pacific Ocean. Then Arctic Ocean in the north. So again, you see, to the north of Asia is the Arctic Ocean and Indian Ocean in the south. So here, this is the south of Asia and it is surrounded by Indian Ocean. The continents Asia and Europe are together referred as Eurasia. Okay, so this is Europe. So the red color is Asia and this I am coloring in yellow. So this continent is Europe. So Europe and Asia are together referred as Eurasia. Okay, and Asia is also the most populous continent in the world. Now, what is populous? Do you know? Yes, populous means where the population or the number of people are the most. So in Asia, there are so many people, all right? It is the most populous country. That is the population of Asia is the highest. Next is Africa. Now, Africa is a very interesting continent. Do you know why? Because you see, let us come to the last point first. It is the only continent. So it is the only continent of the 7 continents through which all these lines, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and Prime Meridian pass. Okay, so many important latitudes and longitudes are passing through Africa. So let us see the picture. Focus on the picture, all right? So see, this is 23 and 23.5 degree north. So this is Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Then this is equator, 0 degree. This is also cutting through Africa. Then this is 23.5 degrees south. So Tropic of Capricorn. So all the three latitudes, important latitudes, Tropic of Capricorn, Equator, and Tropic of Cancer are passing through Africa. And also the most important longitude or meridian, which is the 0 degree meridian or prime meridian, that is also passing through Africa. So Africa is the only continent through which all these lines are passing through. Okay. Now, Africa is located between 37 degree north and 35 degrees south, and 17 degree west and 50 degree east longitude. All right. And it is surrounded by Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea in the north. So here is north, Mediterranean Sea. Wait a minute, children, okay? Yeah. So this is Mediterranean Sea in the north, Indian Ocean in the east. So here we have Indian Ocean in the east and Atlantic Ocean in the west. So here we have Atlantic Ocean in the west. All right. And Africa is home to the biggest deserts. You know about Sahara Desert, like it is the biggest desert, Sahara and Kalahari. So these are the two very big deserts which are found in Africa. And you know what else is found in Africa? It is a river. It is the biggest or the longest river in the world. So do you know what is the name of that river? Yes. So the longest river in the world is the Nile River. So Nile River also flows in Africa. So Africa is home to the longest river in the world as well as to the biggest desert of the world. So see, if this is a continent, this is Africa, all right, a whole continent. How much of the continent is just covered by Sahara Desert? So this whole desert you see, or the whole place in pink color is consisting Sahara Desert. So can you imagine how big is Sahara Desert? So Sahara Desert is spread in so many countries. Egypt is a different country. Libya is a different country. So in all these countries, again, you see, I'm showing you. So Libya is one country. Here, Egypt is another country. Sudan is a different country. Chad is a different country. So in all these countries, okay, the Sahara Desert is there. So it is one of the biggest desert of the world. Okay, not one of the, actually the biggest desert of the world and the longest river of the world. Both are found in Africa. So this is for today's chapter. I think you have understood how beautiful are our continents and how they are different from each other, right? Thank you so much, children.